How to pick a warded lock. This is a warded lock. Has wards that stop the key from turning around. There's no pins. So I take off my warded lock picks. These are picks that go to warded locks. That one didn't work. Try this one here. There we go. Goes right open. Once I got the lock open, I can check my tryout keys and see if I can get a key that would fit it. So I go through every one of my tryout keys and try it in the lock. I got quite a few. And I found one. So it's locked now. And it's the key I found in my tryout keys. And it works very good. Peace. Don't break the lock.